Okay guys, this is how to fix any problems with OMS 1 or the old OMS version. You've got to log into P-Hyper-V and then go to the OMS VM, connect to it, put in a password, okay, and then this one you restart first. Okay. Okay, and once this restarts and comes back up, log in once to start the services to the OMS server and then restart the main server P-Hyper-V. And that one you can just right click, okay, left click. Okay, Alt F4, restart. Application maintenance. I click OK.